Prosecco. Ha! Ooh. Salad is not, but you are hot. Welcome to my weekly sessions of recipes talking about life and fashion. And not salad only. As summer is in full bloom, we're going to make a cocktail today. Think about hot summer evenings and your need of this cocktail. I call it Sunset Spritz because of this beautiful Vanilla Sky pinkish color. So we're gonna need Campari, Limoncello, Prosecco, soda, and lemon peel for garnish. And of course ice, because it's summer. We're going to start with Campari. Campari is the smallest amount you need in this cocktail because the taste and the color is very strong and we want it to be very light. So I'm gonna use the measurement, although I never use it. I just, do it intuitively. I think it works better. But for you, I'm gonna measure it. I will try to measure it. So this one is 2 cl and this one is 4 cl. I'm gonna use just 2 cl. Ounces. Okay, we need 1 ounce of Campari. So basically just half of this 2 cl thing. Maybe a little more. So half, let's say half. Half of the part. Then we're going to need 1 part of limoncello. Okay, like this. Woo! Okay, let's do 2 parts of limoncello. I think it's not enough. Yeah, 2 parts of limoncello. You see the color? If you see this color, it means you are on the right path to the perfect cocktail. And now I'm gonna open this Prosecco. I know it's not a girlish thing, I always ask my husband, but as you see, I'm alone here. So I have to do it by myself. Okay, where it's gonna go, where it's gonna go. I'm gonna put it right there. Ha, I'm just tricked you. I'm perfect champagne / Prosecco opener, yeah. I did it many times. Okay. Let's say you put as much as you can, as much as you want. Just aim for this beautiful pinkish color. I don't know how to explain how much I put. Let's say I put half of the glass of Prosecco. And now we're gonna put a little bit of soda, but say 3 times less than I put Prosecco. Now, of course, we're going to need ice. Put as much ice as you can for hot summer nights. Oh! Ooh! You must be thinking I drink too much, but that's not true. To be honest, I never got drunk in my life, never. And I'm really proud of it. I think I have this strong self-control. My husband thinks I should just let it go and get drunk finally, but I think it's something in my brain that really needs to be in control, in control everything. So that's why I never get drunk. Okay, and for garnish, we're gonna use this just peel of lemon. Okay, it's very important. I know you think it's just not really that important, but to make sure it's perfect cocktail, you think about Italy, you have to make sure you put the lemon garnish inside. I think that's it. You see, it's very easy, very easy. I think it's the new spritz you never tried before. Let me try this. It's not trying salads. I love it. Ooh. It's so refreshing. You see the ice steam from the cocktail. It's really good, really refreshing. Yeah, I will just make it short because we're gonna move to another cocktail. It's gonna be totally different liquor and totally different probably occasion. But this one is perfect for summer nights and it's matching my color. I love it. Let me know if you try to make it. I don't know, tag me, and I just want to make sure you're using my recipes and I'm not just doing this to get drunk. Although I'm doing this to get drunk. Cheers! So good. Do we really have to film more? Really? I think I'm satisfied with this one.